is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. I built a home for you, for me, until you disappeared from me, from you. It's time to live and time to dust. Planted the seeds. There is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color of green. The ground had a rose then past its knees. By the cracks of his skin I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the gusts came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on to me, held on as tightly as you held on to me. For me.